Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at yet another Qi2 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charger. Now this one is from Anker. This thing literally just came out a couple of weeks ago. Brand new MagGo Wireless Charging Station 3-in-1. And a huge shout out to Anker for sending this charger over to me to review for you guys. So if you guys have seen any of my other Anker videos, you have seen how much I really enjoy all of their Qi2 wireless charging products. This one is no different. This honestly might become my new nightstand charger. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now on the front, it does have a little bit of a picture here. You get what you have in the box here, a little picture of it all set up. Qi2, made for Apple Watch, for all your different iPhones, Apple Watches, and AirPods. 15-watt max wireless charging for your Apple devices. MagSafe compatible, 2 times faster, and enhanced safety features. Now, the price on this one is $99.99. I will leave links down in the description below where you guys can pick this one up for yourself. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. So starting off, we'll go ahead and flip it over here to the back. 80 million users worldwide, fast charging via leading technology, and you get a 24-month warranty. So you do get that 15-watt wireless charging for your iPhone. Now your AirPods and your Apple Watch are going to have 5 watts of wireless charging. And Anker claims that your Apple Watch Series 9 will charge from 0 to 48% in 30 minutes. So if you're, running low on time and running low on battery, slap it on. Within a half an hour, you'll have almost half battery for your Apple Watch. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, you do get a little bit of information here on the sides, all that fun stuff. iPhone 15 watts max, Apple Watch 5 watts, and AirPods or other headphones 5 watts max. So with all that, let's go ahead and get this out of here. Now you got to kind of shake the box a little bit for it to come out, and here you are greeted directly with your charger. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box here. Right here you do have your MagSafe charging pad for your iPhone, or actually your AirPods will fit there as well, your Apple Watch charger, and down here you have your little AirPods area right there. So the bottom of it does have a very nice big rubber stopper, so it won't slide around on your desk. If you try to move it, you do get an LED light right there. Right here, this entire rod is made out of metal. It is cold to the touch, so it's definitely got some good weight to it. Nice premium feel. Let's actually go ahead and weigh this before we look at what else comes in the box, just to see what we're looking at here. So we're gonna compare it to our other Anker that you guys see all the time. Now this one is the 3-in-1 Qi2, so we'll set that here. And we're looking at 443 grams. Now, if we move over to the Anker 623, we're looking at 447 grams. So it's actually almost the same weight between this small one and this one. But that is a good weight, so when you do set it down, you don't have to worry about all your stuff sliding around on your desk. So that's always nice to see. All right, so let's set the charger off to the side for a second, and we'll take a look at what else we get in this box. So first and foremost, you get a quick start guide. Just kind of look at that on your own time. I don't really read those too much. But then you get some stickers here. So basically what this is it says, use this sticker to stabilize your Apple Watch while charging. No impact on charging performance. So I guess you can take these stickers and just stick them right here onto the pad, and it'll stabilize your Apple Watch. I don't think it's going to have too much of an issue holding it, but whatever. I guess it's so it doesn't slide around like that, if you see what I mean. But if that bothers you, I guess you can, stick one of those on and it should be fine. Won't have any issues. I'm not going to do that because when, I, first of all, don't have an Apple Watch. This is my wife's. But second of all, that shouldn't really matter. As long as it's charging, it is what it is. I'm somebody who uses standby mode anyways, so my phone would be that sort of night clock rather than the Apple Watch. But anyways, let's go ahead and set this over here and see what else we get. So here we do get our 40-watt USB Type-C power delivery charging brick. So that is great that this actually comes with it. Whoever else makes Qi2 chargers, especially for that $100 price range, and you guys are not including a charging brick, what are you doing? Give your customers the charging brick. We need this. $100, I need this. For that $100, I need that. Perfect. So you do get a 40-watt charging brick, and here you get a 5-foot USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Let's take a look at those right there. Nice USB-C cable. Plenty enough length for your nightstand or your office desk. This is perfect. 5 feet or 1.5 meters of cable right there. And that's pretty much it for the box, guys. That's all you get. So we'll go ahead and set all this stuff over to the side, and let's take a look at the charger. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this in, and I do want to show you something. So I was just testing this out a little bit off camera, and we have a little bit of an issue when you don't use a powerful enough brick. So let's go ahead and actually plug this in, and I'll show you guys. Now, if you don't have a powerful enough charging brick, you're actually going to have this little LED light blink. So I just plugged in a 20-watt brick. So let's see what happens. So here you get your LED. It does light up. And then if you see, it starts to blink. So that is letting you know that you do not have enough power going to the charger to allow you to fully get the full charging speeds and safely charge everything that you have, which is your Apple Watch, your AirPods, and your iPhone, all through MagSafe, especially with that Qi2. So if you guys see that is still blinking and it's not going to stop until I plug in a powerful enough charging brick. So what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and unplug that, and I did just plug in the Anker one that came with this charger itself, so the 40-watt brick and this cable. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that in here, and let's take a look. The LED lights up as per usual, and then it stops blinking. So now you guys know you have a powerful enough charging brick to be able to safely and efficiently charge all of your devices, which is really nice to see. I love that safety feature that is included right in there. So let's go ahead and add our devices. We'll start off with our iPhone 15 Pro Max in black titanium, which, by the way, currently I am using the Kadabe synthesis. Great case. But anyways, let's go ahead and put that on. There's our charging animation. And so the LED light is not lit up at the moment. Okay, so that is definitely something you want to note. Let's see, are there any other LEDs? No. So no LED light at the current moment lit up. Let's go ahead and move over to my wife's Apple Watch, which of course you guys know I don't have my own. Roast me down in the comments for that if you'd like. But we'll go ahead and plug that up. And let's see. There we go. That is charging right there as well. And still no LED light. So finally, what we're going to do is bring over our AirPods Pro 2. We'll set those here. And now you get the LED light. So, okay. So the LED light is going to signify that the actual charging pad at the bottom was being in use. So it does turn off right away after it does light up. But for one split second, you do get that LED light. Now, let's see. Is that magnetic? No. It looks like we are not magnetized onto there. Let me just double check. Just for science, I'll take the case off of here. All right, let's try that one more time. Okay, let's see. No, so it's not magnetized onto there, but that's all right. As long as you know that it's sitting flat, it is charging, everything is good to go, you will be just fine with this. So, and of course, this shouldn't tip over or anything because of those rubber stoppers down there as well. So this is what you're going to be looking like, guys, with your 3-in-1 from Anker. You got your AirPods here, your Apple Watch, and you have your iPhone. Now, of course, we have to test out standby mode. So if you do rotate your iPhone, it'll work in standby mode just fine, just like that, without any interference to your Apple Watch, which is something that I have seen, almost dropped it right there. That is something I have seen with certain other chargers, especially, you know, those smaller compact ones. The Apple Watch and the iPhone are touching when it goes into standby mode. So I really love that this is nice and big, has plenty enough space, and you can even kind of store some other stuff right here. It has a little bit of a lip going, oh, just dropped those, that's all right. It's got a little bit of a lip right there. So if you have, I don't know, what you want to put down here, I probably wouldn't store anything, but you can store something here without it rolling off, I guess, because it does have a little bit of a lip. Like I said, not sure if you really want to do that, but you have the option. So let's talk about this a little bit more. Now, like I said, the price on this one is $99.99, and links will be down in the description below. So you do get this white one right here, as well as a black color that this charger comes in. So two different color options on this. Now, the question that I get asked a lot is, hey, Brian, will this work for Android? Will this work for my Android ecosystem? And the answer is yes, as long as you have a MagSafe case on your S24 Ultra or any of your other Android phones, your Google Pixel, S24, S24 Plus, whatever phone you're using, if you have a MagSafe case on it, MagSafe compatible case, it will charge and magnetize to this just as well. Now, you're not going to get that same 15 watts of power. You actually will probably get more on an Android because it allows for faster wireless charging. I believe this will go up to 25 watts, if I'm not mistaken, for your Android phones as well. Now, when it comes to the Android watches, I'm not exactly sure if they are compatible with an Apple Watch charger. Then yes, it will work with no issues. But if it's not compatible with an Apple Watch charger, then it will not. However, down here at the bottom, this is just a standard wireless charging pad. So literally any wireless charging device that you have, I can even take my phone and put it down there and it'll start charging. If you guys saw that right there. With AirPods, same thing. So any of your Android earbuds or your any of your Samsung or Google or whatever other earbuds you use or any of your other devices, they will work right here. You get a nice soft pad, so you can set that down. Any wireless charging device will work on this pad here. So, with all that being said, guys, this is the Anker MagGo Wireless Charging Station 3-in-1 Qi2 with MagSafe. That's a whole mouthful. But do I recommend this? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Like I said, this might be my new favorite wireless charger, and it's definitely going around on my nightstand or on my wife's nightstand, depending on which one of us fight each other for it, if she wants to fight me for this. But this thing is absolutely incredible. It's very nice, very good looking, looks pretty modern, has some nice weight to it, so you don't have to worry about any of your devices falling off or, you know, tipping it over, anything like that. When you're done for the rest of the day, you just kind of set everything up. It does have a good magnet on here, so you can definitely kind of pick it up with your phone, set all your stuff down, and you're good to go. And it'll also charge your iPhone from 0 to 20% in only 16 minutes. So if you need that quick little just slight boost of energy before you go to dinner for your phone, that little charge, put it on, go, you know, do whatever you got to do, 15 minutes, get yourself ready, you'll be at 20%. So let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing another great Qi2 wireless charger, I'll leave that right there. But if you want something for on the go, also Qi2, I'll leave that right there.